Hi, today I want to explain how to use a daily EMR in a lower time frame. Okay, there is two way. First way, let's plot that EMR, for example, kilos and 200. This is no. Let's we make overlay as true. Okay, save and add to chart. Okay, so this is now current. Okay, this is our current. We can add an input, for example, len input dot int for a first way is we here we have one thing here, time frame. If I put it here, so as you see here we have a time frame section. If we change it to, for example, daily, so as you see now we have our daily. Okay, as I go to a little higher time frame, okay, we have no daily, we can change it to 50. Okay, but this work we cannot, for example, write line. For example, let's say if a bar state that is the last line that new bar index and high, for example. If we do, we get error. Oh, sorry, I should add more bar index, for example. We can also add leave. Okay, as you see we got error. Why? Cannot include time from argument in the indicator function when the code produce side effects. Okay, so we cannot use line labels and table when we added this, so we delete this. We want to have a line, so what can we do? We have here add custom time frame, input that time frame, and we want daily. Here we use here em request that security symbol cost sim info dot ticker id. Time frame is our, sorry, here should be, this is our custom time frame. Expiration is this, and it's good we add look ahead to on. Okay, no save. As you see, now we have it. Okay, on daily, if I want to, sorry, so where is, yeah, it's here. It's not in daily, we can change, for example, to 1 hour. It's current, as you see. Okay, so now you can set time frame, any time frame for your EMR.